efforts are part of building a yogic city, to build a variety of accommodations from individual villas to variety of opportunities. Here we are at Isha Institute of Inner Sciences, Tennessee. This large space that we have here, all this is all part of the ashram, over 22,000 acres. For most human beings, unfortunately, life is going waste in just transactions. So, living in a consecrated space is very important for those who care about themselves, those who care about their families, those who are concerned about nurturing future generations into a very healthy and blissful kind of generation. So this space has taken a lot of effort to acquire, and now it's going to take much more effort to consecrate, but we want to consecrate large parts of this land so that people can live in that kind of space.